Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic to determine the optimum pH for the trypsin. So trypsin, what is the trypsin? Trypsin is a enzyme which is found in the small intestine, and it can break down the protein into amino acid. Okay, trypsin has a lytic activity and it can convert the protein into amino acid. It can break down the protein. So in this experiment, we need to determine the optimum pH, the pH at which the trypsin detects its best uh, activity, the pH at which the trypsin shows its best enzymatic activity. And for this, what we do, we need to analyze the optimum pH. For that, we need to give a protein, and that protein need to be digested by the trypsin. So in this experiment, we are taking the gelatin. We are taking a gelatin in which the gelatin will be hydrolyzed by the trypsin, and when it will digest the uh, gelatin, then we can detect the best pH for the trypsin. So at the optimum pH, the enzyme works its best. The activity is the highest in the lower pH, or it can be in higher pH. Uh, so for the analysis of the pH analysis, we place a photographic film in this experiment, uh, and that photographic film will be digested by the trypsin, and it will give a color, and the color will be monitored, and the pH at which the color is monitored, it's mentioned at the optimum pH for the enzymatic activity. So what we need first, we need trypsin enzyme, a water bath, gelatin, and photographic film which contains the gelatin film, buffer solution, and pH solutions of this pH range 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now we start the experiment. First, we set up the water bath and adjust the pH temperature for approximately 37 degrees centigrade. This is conducted because water bath takes times for the setting up. Okay, so first we fill the water bath with water and adjust the pH 37 degrees centigrade. Now we come to our experiment. In the experiment, first we take the test tube, okay, and we add 1 ml buffer solution to the pH 1, okay, and we add a photographic film into the solution and put it in the water bath for the 5 minutes. Then we pipette 1 ml of trypsin into another tube and put it in the water bath for another 5 minutes. Then we add the 1 ml of trypsin into that solution, into that test tube. We add trypsin that contains the photographic film and 1 ml of buffer solution. And when we add the gelatin and we add the trypsin solution to the test tube, we record the time it takes for complete the disappearance of the gelatin film. Means the gelatin film will be white in color. Okay, it will be white in color. Okay, and when it will get white in color, then we can observe the best pH, because in this time we added pH 1. Now we will perform this experiment for the pH number pH 2 in another test tube. We will add a test tube in the water bath containing the 1 ml of buffer solution of pH 2, and then we will add photographic film. Okay, we will add a photographic film, and then we will add trypsin, and the trypsin will digest this uh, gelatin, and the color will be white. If the color will be white and it will take less time, then we can indicate that the best pH will be 2 or 3, or the pH can be 10. So we will perform this experiment for pH 1, pH 2, pH 4, pH 6, pH 8 and pH 10, and we will take the time which is required, which the trypsin require for the change in color. Means the photographic film is converted into white color, so we take the time in which the photographic film is converted into white color. If it is converted in few minutes, in suppose that it is converted in 5 minutes in the pH number 2, and in the pH number 4 it takes uh, 10 minutes, then we can take indicate that the pH 2 is the optimum pH. Okay, so optimum pH is the pH at which that enzyme will take less time. It will take less time for the digestion of the gelatin. So by using this experiment, we can analyze the best uh, pH for the trypsin analysis. So our experiment is over here. Thank you very much.